In this video, we're going to be unboxing and setting up the impressive new Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-2600 large format printer. This 24-inch printer is part of Canon's updated Pro series designed for fine art and photography, which also includes a 44-inch and 60-inch model. The first improvement that Canon have made is that this printer is EPEAT Gold rated, which means it meets the highest level of environmental standards. As you can see, its packaging is free from expanded polystyrene to help protect the environment. The printer itself also uses less power during operation and powering off. Setting up the printer is fairly straightforward, but it does require some heavy lifting as it's not a small piece of kit. The first thing we're doing here is building the base and then securing the printer itself on top. The next part is the fun bit, removing all the tape. The Pro-2600 has 12 colour Lucia Pro 2 pigment inks. One of the new features is the addition of crystalline wax, which gives improved scratch resistance and handling capabilities. You'll also see a new feature of this model is the addition of the light indicators above the inks, and a translucent cover so you can easily see when inks need changing. Canon says the newly formulated ink also has increased black density and more accurate colour reproduction. The light-resistant pigments in the ink give increased colour fastness, meaning prints can be preserved for 200 years. Another new feature is that the printer is equipped with intelligent media handling, which means it will automatically detect media type, width and length. It has a new interior LED light which makes it easier to check your prints as it's coming out of the printer. Our very first print came out perfect on PermaJet Oyster 271, with the exceptional print results that we've come to know and love from Canon. It has deep blacks, excellent colour reproduction and high levels of detail. If you'd like to get a quote for this printer, get in touch with us directly at www.permajet.com.